against a toll staff in Karnataka. Now, this assault that has been caught on camera as the driver apparently refused to pay the toll, creating a ruckus as two toll officials reportedly were assaulted, and the booth was also damaged, and the lorry driver and the cleaner, however, have now been arrested post this assault that has now been reported. In what has now been said, this has happened as far as the Bantwal police there have arrested the lorry driver and the cleaner for assaulting two toll booth employees and damaging the toll booth. And this has now been reported at the Brahmara Kotlu toll plaza. And the incident being reported on Monday, where the toll booth staff had asked the driver to pay the toll, but allegedly he refused. Now, as far as the police there has now picked up based on the complaint, and they have now been taken into custody. Neha, pictures that are now coming in of this assault there. Two toll staffers were assaulted. The toll booth was also damaged, and the driver there apparently refusing to pay the fees.
Well, that's right. We're seeing the shocking attack here on toll staff, by a lorry driver and cleaner as well. Right after they were asked to pay a toll, and also, of course, they were asked to pay for damages that they've caused to the toll booth over there. We see the manner in which the lorry driver and the cleaner here have gotten out of the lorry. They've thrashed the toll staff there, and after a complaint was filed, now both the accused here in question have been arrested. Remember, this is not the first such attack that we're seeing on toll staff, especially as far as, this particular region is concerned. It's quite unfortunate that, the toll staff there having to, of course, bear the brunt of these two accused here in concern, merely because they asked the driver as well as the lorry, cleaner to, pay up the taxes. First of all, of course, those visuals there that coming out now from the attack on the toll staff is really quite shocking, to say the least. And more importantly, even as those visuals, of course, as we are playing out right now for our viewers, questions being asked
to have been called in as far as the assault on the toll booth staffers are now concerned. The police there in Bantwal have now registered a case under several sections of the BNS. And as far as the lorry driver and the staffer has now been picked up, and they are said to be natives of Chikmagaluru. Thank you very much for the moment, Neha, for joining in. Further investigation is underway. We'll get you more details back after a short.